Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix VRChat crashing on Oculus Quest 2. To fix the issue, you have to follow these steps. So first, restart your Oculus Quest 2. Press and hold the power button on your headrest for 10 seconds. After that, select restart from the menu to refresh the system. Step 2. Update VRChat and Oculus software. Ensure both the VRChat app and Oculus software are up to date. Go to the Oculus Store, find VRChat and select update if available. And then for Oculus system update, go to settings, about, and then check for updates. Step 3. Clear cache in VRChat. On the Oculus Quest, go to settings, apps, and the VRChat. Select clear data or clear cache to remove any corrupted file. Step 4. Check for system overload. Close any other apps running in the background on your Oculus Quest 2. Make sure there's enough free storage space, at least 1 to 2 GB free to run VRChat smoothly. Step 5. Reinstall VRChat. If the above step doesn't work, uninstall VRChat and reinstall it from the Oculus Store. This can fix any corrupted game file causing the crash. Step 6. Disable background apps or feature. If you are running background apps or feature like hand tracking, try disabling them from the Oculus settings to improve performance. Step 7. Factory reset. If VRChat continues to crash, you may need to perform a factory reset on your Oculus Quest 2. To reset, go to settings, system and reset. Note, this will erase all data on your device, so backup any important content first. So these are steps you can follow to fix VRChat crashing on Oculus Quest 2. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you found this video help you, please consider to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.